Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete objects in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to Setup, and from there, we need just to access our Objects Manager. So basically, we click here, and then you will need just to choose any object that you would like. As you can see, we can access our objects from here. So basically, you can start editing on any objects, but you will need just to choose the custom objects. So I already have some custom objects here, for example, this profile, and we can just go here and we can click on delete directly from here. So basically, as you can see, this is one way to start deleting your objects. So let's just go again and let's click on delete, and you can delete these objects. And make sure first that it won't create any confusion or it won't create any uh, conflicts between other objects if you have many relationships. So make sure to resolve these problems, then you can delete this object safely. So you can click on delete and you will be able to delete it. Another way to do it is to go to object management. So from here we can go to search for our objects. So basically you can choose the external objects if you have already some external objects that are related by some other sources, like from other data source that you already have setting up or set up in your organization, and then you can also delete them from here. So basically this is how you can delete your objects in Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.